Hello and welcome back to the Coast Chronicles, and today we're here at Paultons Park to see what Paultons Park is like, where Valgard, see what queue time's like, see what the other parts of the park are looking like, see what capacity's like. Now, if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and comment for more. Starting the day over here on Edge. It is nice to see that Valgard is much more quieter and you're able to get on the rides. But I think the next ride that we're going to do is Raven. But yeah, Edge is really good, got the best of both sides. And wow, my first time seeing Raven in 5 minutes. Gonna go have my ride.
To the right, and should be left with the non-rider over the storage box.
Just on Raven here now. Getting a lovely view of Valgard. Drac on here we go. So yeah, just had my ride there on Raven. Wasn't expecting it to be that quiet, but yeah, as we got on the ride there was literally only 2 or 3 cars in the queue behind us. It says 10 minutes there, but it's really not. Now I believe that supports have arrived for the new water coaster, Serpent's Curse. So let's go have a look. So yeah, that is true, supports are being carried and have arrived for the new Serpent's Curse. Got one there. Oh, it has gone vertical. There is already a support in place. Serpent's Curse has gone vertical. Oh, it's brilliant. We'll get some zoomed up shots for you in a second. Oh, this is very exciting to see. The first support has gone in. Yeah, hoping in next year, 2027, Serpent's Curse. But yeah, they're putting a support in there for Serpent's Curse. So there's them putting the support in. And then this is the support that has gone vertical. The Serpent's Curse has gone vertical. Supports have arrived. This is very cool to see. There we have it. The swing is on 5 minutes. What a flat ride this is at Paultons. So great to have it on a short queue. And even over there, Dracon's only 15, so it really has quieted down. See you later will be like, that'll be 5-10 minutes. Will be good to see. Close up of the trolls here. Look at this one. Got a funny face. Yeah, look at the Vild swing. So well landscaped.
That's so cool! No, you've got to come on this! Oh, this should be one of my things. Oh, it changed my neck! What's happening when it's funny?
That makes it funny, doesn't it? Should have been our lunch.
We just had a great ride there on the Vild swing. I think it's the best flat ride of Paultons, such a great fit. But now we're going to head on to Velociraptor in Lost Kingdom. Yeah, we haven't really done Lost Kingdom in a while because of been stuck in Valgard, because of what an amazing area it is. They've got so many of these dinosaur animatronics in Lost Kingdom. I think you've got at least 5 in the Velociraptor queue line itself. Another one. So we are on the Velociraptor lift hill. See if we can see the 2027 sign. Very exciting to see. I think about 3 supports have gone in at the moment. Yeah, gotta love Velociraptor. Yeah. I think about, 4 supports have gone in. Quite a lot have actually gone in. Yeah, do it all again backwards. So you just joined me for my ride there on Velociraptor. Yeah, got some great views of the 2027 sign. Just going into the Boulder Dash queue here. But yeah, I think it's about 5 or 6 supports I've gone in, and it is going up fast. So I don't know when we're going to see track going. Could it be today, or it'll definitely be in the next week or so. I think this coaster is going to go up very quick and much quicker than we expected. Oh, you can see Veal Swing peering up over the distance there. See even more animatronics in the queue line. There's got to be over 20 animatronics in the whole of Lost Kingdom. So you just joined me for my ride there on Boulder Dash, and it wasn't actually that good that time, so I didn't get much spin to it, but again, it is for the kids. But yeah, so now we're gonna have a ride on Dino Torco, I think it is. This is gonna be the first time I think I've been on it since I've got the passes, so it'd be good to get back on. Yeah, you've got to love Lost Kingdom. It was kind of their first major investment with the two Vekoma coasters. Yeah, there's like the pterosaur. And then when they had the excess of Lost Kingdom, then they did Tornado Springs and now Valgard. Yeah, the Dinosaur Torco.
See that pair of CeeLo flies we just passed?
It's a dino!
They're real pretty. We better move on quick. On a boat safari where you can see more amazing dinos until that cheeky little consultant decides to hop off the boat. This is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this old disused tunnel. Imagine! This is incredible! A rare treat for all of us!
It's not fun anymore!
We lived right here in England about 166...
I didn't realise the dinosaurs sprout water. Unbelievable. Never doing that again. Nah, I'm only joking. That was good old fun. You've got two lemurs in here. Just over there. Like the old Towers Gardens over here. Very nice. Are we up Flamingo Land? Oh, lovely flamingos. Bridge here. I didn't realise this was here, guys. Got a little waterfall. Actually quite nice away from the park. See, if you like have Paultons Park and you don't want to just come for rides, there's lots of little trails in the gardens here. It's quite nice actually. It's very calming. You can't hear any of the audio. You can't hear any rides. You can just hear like birds tweeting. Oh, look at all these. Quite interesting, aren't they? Snakes and ladders. The old cobra bush here. Yeah, it's good that they kept it. Yeah, if you want some time away from the park, definitely come into like the gardens. Critter Creek. Now, after the 2027 site, will this be the next area to get a re-theme, or just it'll be ripped out and then have a whole new area? And they can use that bit where Kentucky is and the teacups and just have one big area. Casper the Coaster advertised a 5-minute queue. So I just had my ride there on the Caterpillar coaster. That was very good to get a little pop of airtime in there. Now we're going to be heading into Tornado Springs. Oh, I love Tornado Springs. I just think Valgard beats it though. So a lot of people say they're about the same, well, Valgard's better or Tornado Springs better, but I think Valgard's better. Windmill Tower, 0 minutes there. And over here, Storm Chaser at 10. Oh, scary. So you just joined me for my ride there on Storm Chaser, and I actually grayed out on one of it, sis. Yeah, I feel a bit dizzy now. Yeah, I think it's just too hot. It's like up full park and then a lot of people passed out in the queue lines. It's just too hot.
Farmyard Flying there in a minute. Big toilet and Farmyard Flying.
So I just went on Wimble Towers there. Yeah, it was alright. Just another ride. Yeah, do get some great views on Tornado Springs. So now I'm going to have a ride on Farmer Flyer. Advertise a 0-minute queue. Credits. Even though I've done it loads of times, it's just great to get back on something with no queue. We will head back over to Dragon soon now. So just had my ride there on Farmer Flyer. But now we're going to exit Tornado Springs. It's been a lovely area in the park, but going to head on to Coastal Manor. I wonder what the daily high score is today. I think UK Theme Parks is here today, so it's probably in the 300,000s of daily high score, so there's probably no way I'm getting that today. Coastal Manor advertised a 10-minute wait. Oh, the landscaping is just incredibly done. Yeah, this opened over a year ago now. Yeah, opened 2025, Coastal Manor. And this is our waiting point. It's only about 87,000 that time, but it's still a great ride there on Coastal Manor. Hello, Bacon! Hello, Bacon! So now we're going back into Valgard Realm of the Vikings. In 15 minutes. Yeah, might as well just do that now. Oh, Drakon does look good in the sunshine. There it goes. Turn down. Oh, here it comes.
Fully through the carriage, this bags, phones, hats, and any other loose items into an available locker cell. Nothing may be taken onto the ride. Please follow instructions from your station master. Good seating, through your hands, featuring vertical inversions and a beyond vertical drop.
So I just went on Drakon there, front left seat, and it was actually really wobbly. Yeah, apparently the front left is actually quite wobbly. But Field Swing's on 5 minutes. We're gonna head back on this. Oh, gotta love the Field Swing. I need to try the one that plops the land.
Off your head until it's secure.
So I just had my ride there on the Field Swing. Very good. But, oh, I could just sit on that all day. Great fit, Paultons, perfect fit. So now we're going to have another ride on Raven. Here we are now about to go on Raven. So I just had my ride there on Raven. It was like really whippy that time. Very enjoyable ride. Yeah, it's great to have it back. That's Raven. Here it comes. Yeah, and now we just saw on Raven that there's so many more sports gone in on the 2027 site. Serpent's Curse, so we're going to go have another look. Lots happening on the 2027 site here. You've got support there, support there, support there, support there, support there, support there, support there. There's one over there. Now here's a zoomed in shot on my phone. Got support there, that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and then there's one over there. It's number 8. So there's about 8 ports in at the moment. One we'll see track going in. You got the station over here, so that's very cool to see. Yeah, they're busy working today. So we had a look at the 2027 site there, Serpent's Curse. Yeah, great to see how fast it's coming along. And this is going to be the end of the vlog. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and comment for more. This is Valgard.